Hello guys, hello everyone. I'm happy to be here today. You're welcome to today's What's in the News session. Today is fully packed with awesome information, right? That will wire you on the news. We have reports that Bitcoin overtakes PayPal on value transferred, and of course, set eyes on MasterCard. That's an interesting report to look at for. And Thailand high crypto for tourism expansion, of course, revenue generation. Find out more details in the news. Also, we have a report that Russia records $5 billion worth of crypto transaction in a year. And Shiba Inu order it 1 million. That is 1 million people have SHIB in their portfolio. That's an interesting one to look at for. And of course, Grayscale's report says Metaverse is a $1 trillion industry. That's an interesting one. And friends, DeFi, I have awesome news on DeFi for you today. NFT, of course, another record says Axie Infinity says Genesis plot for about $2.4 million. That's huge. Of course, guys, you can't afford to miss today's addiction, right? You just can't afford. By the way, my name is Clinton Onos with Market Salam. As always, Market Salam is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is the first time you're seeing this channel, friends, this is what we do. You're welcome. Please smash the like button for us, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to get all important information on the go. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to the news. What can we say about today? Is it Red Friday? All right, almost cryptocurrency in red, right? Bitcoin is down by 5.6 percent. It's currently trading $54 781 approximately. Also, Solana is down, currently trading around the 4,000 region, down by 6.95 percent. Of course, Solana is down as well. Dot is down, Havas is down, right? BNB is down, SHIB is down. Of course, the only one I can see green at this moment is Health and Filecoin, right? But of course, they are trying to meet up, right? Of course, Starcoin. All right, let's not waste much time here. What do we have here? Today's cryptocurrency price by market cap. The global crypto market cap is 2.47 trillion, a 5.23 decrease over the last day. That's huge. All right, of course, Bitcoin dominance is still intact. Ethereum followed, Binance Coin, Solana, Cardano, SRP, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Ava, Shiba Inu, of course, Crypto.com. On the gain-now table, we have Cloudbreak is up by 43%, Basic Attention up by 20%, Live up by 18%, Ank up by 13%, Sidecoin 7%, Filecoin 5%, Cardano 5%, and of course on the losers table we have IS is down 37%, WAS is down 27%, Crypto.com is down 18%, Engine Coin is down 16%, Decentraland is down 20%, Harmony is down 15%, Lowbrink is down 50%, Audios is down 40%. All right, let's see what's on the news. Bitcoin overtakes PayPal on value transfer, sets eye on MasterCard report. Block Data's report suggests that the Bitcoin network could potentially match the dollar value transferred on MasterCard network as early as 2026 or as late as 2060. The Bitcoin network already processes more volume by dollar value than PayPal and the largest decentralized cryptocurrency network in the world by market cap could outstrip MasterCard by as early as 2026. A November 25th report from market intelligence platform Block Data titled "When Might the Bitcoin Network Process Volumes Like MasterCard and Visa" points out that the Bitcoin network processed about 489 billion per quarter in 2021, which is greater than PayPal's 302 billion. After just 12 years in existence, Bitcoin processes about 27% of MasterCard 1.8 trillion per quarter and 15% of Visa's 3.2 trillion. Three factors could see the Bitcoin network to rise to the level of the two credit card giants in terms of volume processed, the total number of transactions, the average amount of Bitcoin sent per transaction, and the rise of the price of Bitcoin. Because the report noted that although it is relatively young, the decentralized Bitcoin network has managed to achieve high volumes compared to the two centralized credit card giants. It is impressive how Bitcoin, as a 12-year-old decentralized network, is 27% of the way in terms of volume processed compared to MasterCard, a company founded in 1996. Right, congratulations, Bitcoin was next. Thailand eyes crypto tourism to increase GDP. Interesting one. Thailand could see a new phase in its tourism sector as the country is planning to target crypto digital nomads to increase its gross domestic product GDP. The Tourism Authority of Thailand is working on starting a parallel sector to traditional marketing to attract new nano entrepreneurs by rolling out TAD coin since September as part of planned cryptourism campaign, according to local media sources. TAT has been in discussion with the Thailand Stock Exchange regarding the issuance of that coin and is now awaiting the green light from the Thai government. According to Bitcoin founder and chief executive Jirayut Sropisopa, while Thailand's GDP was around $500 billion, the cryptocurrency market is worth over $3 trillion. That's interesting to note. Speaking at the Transform Terrorism and Cryptourism seminar on Tuesday, Mr. Jaruyut said private sectors are ready to provide digital infrastructure, but we are just waiting for the government to press the button by enacting laws, regulations, and even policies to help facilitate digital asset markets. Our national GDP could grow 6 times if we could strengthen this market. This one, nice one for Thailand. They are seeing the future from now. Interesting one to know there. Who was next? Russians transact $5 billion in crypto each year, Bank of Russia says. Interesting one. Although Russia has become a global leader in the crypto market, the Bank of Russia is still skeptical about Bitcoin. Russian people are among the world's most active participants of the cryptocurrency market, according to the country's central bank. The Bank of Russia published a fresh review on financial stability on Thursday, pointing out the country's growing role in the 2.8 trillion market, citing estimations reported by major local banks in July 2021. The Bank of Russia suggested that the total annual volume of crypto transactions of the Russian population amount to 350 billion rupees or $5 billion. Interesting one. The central bank did not suggest any immediate measures to address this risk, but said that it could be closely monitoring the market to identify potential threats. The relationship between digital currencies and the financial sector remains limited at the moment. However, the rapid growth and the widespread adoption of the digital currency would pose higher risk both globally and for the Russian financial market. All right, what's next? Official SHIB is 1 million holders milestone. Congratulations, SHIB. Let's see what's there. Shiba Inu SHIB has progressively risen in popularity and mainstream media attention, reaching a total of 1 million token holders due to this growth. The decentralized Doge meme currency reached the milestone on Thursday, November 25th, after seeing a significant increase in the number of token holders over the previous several months. According to data collected by Finbold, Shiba Inu currently has 1,018,000 token holders as at the time of publication. Of course, you can see the increase here, 1 million holders. Congratulations, Shiba Inu. What's next? The Metaverse is a $1 trillion opportunity after users increased 10x. Grayscale report. It's all right. According to a new report from Grayscale, the rate of active Metaverse users increased 10x between the start of 2020 and June 2021. Crypto market giant Grayscale has published a Polish report on Metaverses, estimating that the market opportunity for bringing the Metaverse to the mainstream may be worth over $1 trillion in the next few years. The November report, titled "The Metaverse Web 3.0 Visual Cloud Economy," was authored by Grayscale Head of Research David Grider and research analyst Massimo. The dual explore burgeoning sector primarily from the perspective of open metaverse world backed by an interconnected crypto economy such as Decentraland. Interesting one to note: analyze the global all-time active metaverse wallet data since the start of 2020. It found the user base has grown by 10x since that time to sit at around 50,000 as of June 2021. Interesting report. Compared to other Web 3.0 and Web 2.0 segments, Metaverse virtual world users are still in their early innings, but if current growth rate remains on their current trajectory, this emerging segment has the potential to become mainstream in coming years. The report highlights that there is no shortage of venture capitalists taking a punt on the sector potential. According to the report, fundraising total of $1 billion for blockchain gaming in third quarter. That represented 12% of total fundraising for the entire crypto sector in the quarter, ranking it as the top subsector within the Web 3.0 and NFT category. Interesting report, friends. What's next? DeFi privacy project Panther raises $22 million in 1.5-hour public sale. That was quick, very fast. But let's see the details. Panther's public sale involved 5% of the total ZKP supply, with 15% being sold via seed, pre-seed, and private funding. Panther Protocol, a privacy-enhancing technology provider for the decentralized finance DeFi industry, has completed its public sale to continue building privacy solutions for DeFi and Web 3.0. Panther announced to Cointelegraph on Thursday that it raised $22 million in its recent public sales of ZKP tokens, bringing the total amount raised to $32 million. Starting on Tuesday, the Panther Protocol public sale successfully closed in just under 90 minutes, the Panther project announced previously. Some of the supposed investors that were willing to participate in Panther's 22 million public say have complained about not being able to proceed with payment. Shocking support on the Discord was on the site for 90 minutes and wouldn't let me make a single payment because the button did not work. Then no response for an hour from anybody in the Discord. One supposed investor reported. Button did not work, but everything else, when you send your details, ID and pictures, works well through your mobile phone. So where is the justice now when we wait in line, register KYC and all that things, and now we have no chance to buy it? Maro Baggy. I'm sorry about that. All right, let's move on. Who was there? Axie Infinity says the Genesis Visual Land slot for 550 Ethereum. That's huge visual land. It's all right. Maybe all the available lands has been sold. If there any available land in your area still left unsold, please let us know, because the guy, the investors, they are currently buying land visual. All right, guys. Now I don't know much. Comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what's up. Let me know if this is the future. I will really appreciate your response. Let's see the details here. The most expensive visual real estate in the non-fungible token NFT Metaverse has just been sold. According to a Twitter post by Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based gaming protocol, one of the rarest visual lands, dubbed the Genesis land plot, was sold for 550 Ether, worth approximately $2.48 million. The Genesis plot is one of the 220 out of 9,601 land plots that exist in the Axie Infinity world. I'll probably move to the Axie Infinity world soon. NFT bogus valuation, bubble or new reality? Please comment section below. Let's know, is this a bubble or new reality? All right, let's continue. It is uncommon to see NFT and Metaverse related digital collectibles sell for a very expensive amount of money. Why people's everyday, the first 500 days remain the most expensive NFT piece sold to date at a price of $69 million. Many critics have wondered whether the entire NFT ecosystem is in a bubble or not. Interesting one to say here. Thanks, friends. That's the much we can take for today. We appreciate your time. Please, if you like the content we're pushing out here, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. Of course, friends, turn on the notification bell to get all important information for free. Just so you know, by 9 p.m. West African time, almost every day is a live session where we critically analyze the chart. Technical analysis. You just can't afford to miss it. 9 p.m. West African time, almost every day, especially weekdays. Don't miss it for anything. Keep a date and hope to see you. Bye for now.